GSHOCK unveils the all-new GMWBZ5000 Collection, ushering in a new era of full metal toughness. Casio America Inc. proudly announces the launch of the GMWBZ5000 Collection, the latest evolution in the iconic 5000 series. This new three-piece lineup introduces a groundbreaking full-metal shock-resistant structure, reinforcing G-SHOCK's ongoing commitment to engineering timepieces that redefine durability and innovation. The GMWBZ5000 series showcases a reimagined construction that advances the original G-SHOCK blueprint. Traditionally, the bezel fully covered the center case. In the newly engineered model, the bezel and center case connect at the top and bottom, while an internal shock-absorbing resin protector deforms upon impact to maintain G-SHOCK's world-renowned shock resistance, now achieved with a complete full-metal exterior. From the side, the watch reveals intricately shaped, interlocking metal components secured by front screws for a bold, industrial appearance unlike any previous G-SHOCK. While the frontal silhouette preserves the angular form of the original 1983 model, the design represents an entirely new expression of full-metal toughness. Artificial intelligence played a pivotal role in developing this structure, performing extensive analysis and 3D simulations based on decades of G-SHOCK shock resistance data. Honoring its heritage, the GMWBZ5000 includes the same screw-locked case back as the first-ever G-SHOCK and utilizes the proven three-pronged lug band connection introduced in the GMWB50. The exterior craftsmanship pays meticulous tribute to the original design, replicating flat and curved surfaces, grooves, ridges, and the signature band dimples. The introduction of front screws enables these dimples to be constructed as separate components, integrating both form and function. Achieving the watch's complex architecture requires extraordinary precision, with individual metal parts undergoing repeated forging, cutting, and polishing processes. Each component receives distinct hairline and mirror finishes, resulting in a powerful and refined full-metal presence. The GMWBZ5000 also debuts a high-contrast 2-way MIP LCD display, offering exceptional clarity, a wide viewing angle, and superior readability even in direct sunlight. The newly developed 2-way MIP features a high-definition full-dot display, enabling users to toggle between 4-time mode layouts and switch between standard, US modern, and bold and classic 7-segment design display fonts via the companion app, enhancing its bold construction. The series features a two-tone exterior finish that accentuates the precision interlocking of the bezel and case, available in silver, black, and gold. The black and gold models feature iron plating for superior abrasion resistance. The modern metallic design pairs seamlessly with both formal and casual styles. Manufactured at Yamagata Casio, the birthplace of the first-ever G-SHOCK GMWBZ5000 collection carries forward the legacy of Japanese craftsmanship and the uncompromising toughness that defines the G-SHOCK brand. The GMWBZ5000 series includes the following features: tough solar power mobile link, Bluetooth, multiband 6 atomic timekeeping, shock-resistant 200 water-resistant, well-time 35 TZ55 cities plus UTC super illuminator LED light stopwatch countdown, timer 4 alarms plus 1 SNZ alarm, full auto calendar 12/24 format. The GMWBZ5000D1 silver, GMWBZ5000BD1 black, and GMWBZ5000GD9 gold are available now at select jewelers nationwide this holiday. The models will be available on GSHOCK.com, at the G-SHOCK Soho store, and through select department stores nationwide beginning February 2026 for $660, $720. For more information on G-SHOCK, visit gshockcasio.com/US.